So you're looking for a welder? What materials are you wanting to weld and what processes do you want to use?
Alright, so there's all kinds of different colors of these machines. You got the reds, you got the blues, you got basic hardware store models like these, and they're good models as well. Now you can get red, you can get blue, you get orange, you get yellow. Lowe's here sells the Lincolns. Duke kind of likes these. That's his favorite store, Lowe's. But then what kind of service are you getting? Alright, so even at Harbor Freight, they got all kinds of different welders. Whether you want multi-process, single process, orange, green. So you just got to pick which one you want. Flux core, with gas, without gas, stick. You just got to figure out which process you want and then just start somewhere. What do you think about them, Duke? The one nice thing about Harbor Freight is this weld table here. You'll see this table everywhere, and I see this table range anywhere from the $89 they sell it for up to $300, and I've not seen any difference.
And then what power do you have available to you? Are you 110 or do you have 220 options for your welder? Or do you have access to a welder that you can play with for a little while to see what machine you like or what process? And as part of that, you might need some kind of gas, whether you're running compressed argon or C25 for MIG, or you're just going to run flux core and not TIG weld at all. Pick your process, pick your machine, and I'll see you here for tips and tricks on how to do it.